What's up, creators? It's Robert Silver back at it again, and today we're diving into something every filmmaker, videographer, and content creator needs: a reliable film monitor. Now, I've been testing the ANDYCINE X5 for a few weeks, and I wanted to see if this budget-friendly beast could go head-to-head with one of the most popular options out there, the ATOMOS Shinobi GO. If you've been wondering, should I save a few $100 and go with the ANDYCINE or go all in with the Shonobi, this video is for you. Let's start with build quality, because the first thing that I noticed with the ANDYCINE X5 is it actually feels solid. It's got a sleek aluminum frame, not that cheap plastic feel you might expect from a sub $200 monitor. The screen is 5.5 inches full HD, which is 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it's touchscreen. And guess what? It's actually really nice and really responsive. Now compare that to the Shinobi GO, which also gives you a 5-inch touchscreen, but it has a plastic build. Though it's lightweight, it doesn't feel as robust, while the ANDYCINE feels more like a sports car. It's lighter, it's sleeker, and it's ready to be mounted. Let's talk about what really matters, what you see. The ANDYCINE X5 packs 1200 nits of brightness, which means outdoors, under sunlight, it actually holds its own surprisingly really well. The Shinobi GO has 1500 nits, which is obviously brighter than the X5, but guess what? With a much heavier price tag, which we'll get into in just a minute. Now, aside from the touchscreen, which is very useful to use and very responsive, you do have physical buttons to get through the menu right here, 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 and here. And these can be preset to be quick menu functions. So like if you want to quickly turn on false colors or quickly turn on the grid or histogram, whatever it is, you can program that very easily right there. Both monitors come with the usual filmmaker tools: focus peaking, false color, zebra lines, LUT support, histogram, aspect ratio markers, and all that good stuff. Where the ANDYCINE X5 surprised me, it supports custom 3D LUTs via an SD card and even includes dual power options. You can use the Sony NPF batteries or feel free to use the DC power input. The Shinobi GO, on the other hand, gives you that ATOMOS ecosystem integration. So if you're already using Ninja recorders or you love the menu interface, it'll feel right at home. It also supports HDR preview and 10-bit input, but the ANDYCINE X5 can accept up to 4K HDMI up to 60p. When we're talking about being very modular, it has 3/4 inch screws all throughout this monitor. All right, one is right there, which I'm using with this nice little mount that does come with the monitor. And then you have one right here, as you can see, and then one up top. All right, so no matter how you want to put together your rig, it's pretty modular. In real-world use, the ANDYCINE X5 was great to work with. It boots fast, it's lightweight, and it doesn't draw tons of power. So there are like 3 ways that I power this monitor. One is using the included NPF battery that's right here. It does come with this, so that's a pretty cool plus to this, as you saw in the unboxing video. If you haven't seen it, don't worry, click the link above. A second way is to use a DC power input, 12 volt right there, and you could power that. So that's one way. And the other way is going to be what I use, which is using a dummy NPF battery in the back, and then I use a 8-volt plug that connects into the 8-volt port of my mini V-mount battery right here. And I like doing that personally because then I can power the entire rig using a V-mount battery. Now, this dummy battery does not come included. It is about 26 bucks. I'll leave a link down below, but it's very useful if you want to power your entire rig with your V-mount battery. I recently went on a video hike with a friend and we were both very surprised with how easy it was to navigate through the menu system even in bright sunlight, and the monitor stayed cool the entire time after hours of use. A big win for a low budget monitor. The ANDYCINE X5 comes in at $179 on Amazon. The ATOMOS Shinobi GO is roughly $299 to $379 depending on where you shop and what accessories come with it. So you're looking at almost half the price difference. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or indie filmmaker looking to upgrade your camera setup without breaking the bank, the ANDYCINE X5 delivers excellent value. Bright, lightweight, and packed with pro features. But if you still need those extra nits of brightness at a heavier price point and don't mind the plastic build quality, the Shonobi GO might be the one for you. So that's my take. The ANDYCINE X5 punches way above its price tag, and for a lot of creators, honestly, it's more than enough. But hey, I want to know what you think. Would you take the budget-friendly ANDYCINE X5 monitor or stick with the ATOMOS? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews, filmmaking tips, and behind-the-scenes content. And as always, I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.